Hey there, and thanks for tuning into this video, which is all about exploring one of the best keyword research tools on the market that I believe we all should be utilizing before we record and upload any videos to our YouTube channels. Now, as I scroll through the homepage, we see lots of videos and thumbnails from some of the most popular YouTubers. And for them, no matter what video they put up online, it might get thousands of views or even millions of views. But for the vast majority of us, that is not the case. So that's why I believe we should be utilizing one of these keyword research tools to plan out in advance and to actually find out whether there is an audience for the videos that we're going to be uploading. So let's dive into that right now as we explore one of the best keyword research tools on the market. One of the strategies, I suppose, when you first create a YouTube channel is just to start populating it with some videos as quick as you can, 3 to 5 videos as quick as you can. But once you start evolving, you then want to do a little bit of research behind the title or the subject or what the content of what your video is about. And you can do that by utilizing an amazing keyword research tool. Now, that keyword research tool is called Keywords Everywhere. Now, I use it pretty much every day for various things, and if I could spell, that would help. But here we go, Keywords Everywhere. So up is going to pop. I've just put that into the Google search, and here it is. We're going to go to that now. But before we go to the actual web page and show you what it's all about, the keyword research tool is already working for me. So it's a Google Chrome extension that I've downloaded, and it's free. And see over here on the right-hand side of the top right-hand corner of my my desktop computer, there's the little icon. And if I hover over the icon, it says Keywords Everywhere. So I've downloaded the Keywords Everywhere tool. So straight away, you can see it in action. I've utilized Google as the search engine and typed in keywords everywhere. And straight away, it's telling me 49,500 people a month have Googled that key phrase. Now, it's only a 2-word phrase, but isn't that powerful? 49,500 people straight away, it's telling me. Over here on the right-hand side as well, it's giving me other relatable searches around that type of topic. 1,800, 1,800,000, 1.2 million, etc., etc. So before I've even gone to show you the tool in any great depth, and then down the bottom it might give you more suggestions. So before I've even gone to show you what the tool is all about, it's already working and in play for me. It's highlighting in yellow. I've set some parameters. Whenever there's more than 500 searches a month, it will highlight in yellow to show me what that's all about. So Keywords Everywhere, as I say, it's a free Google extension or Google Chrome extension. There's the website. Go to there, download, and away you go. So how does that actually work in a little bit more different a broader example? So I've just opened up a new browser here, and this is just my recent history searching just a few minutes ago before recording the video. Keywords Everywhere, 49,500. How to use LinkedIn for business, 880 people. How to use Facebook for business. How to stop my dog from barking, etc., etc. How powerful is this tool? So the tip is, before just creating random videos on topics that you think may or may be interesting for yourself, but may not be interesting to the broader market, is start doing some research beforehand, because quite often what will happen, you'll be creating video content, and I hear this all the time, you'll be uploading it to YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and on your website and LinkedIn and wherever, and you'll be saying, Mark, these videos aren't being watched. And sometimes the number one reason is because there is not that many people who are interested in that type of video. So let's click on one of these again, just to show you in a little bit more detail. How to stop my dog from barking. And here we go. So Keywords Everywhere tool is in action, and it's now going to spit out volumes. 3,600 people a month are going to Google and keying in how to stop my dog from barking at night. Isn't that amazing? So straight away, Google are telling you these are the topics people are researching for. So this becomes a great content idea for you to create a video around how to stop my dog from barking and utilize exactly that title of your video. Now you can also create a blog, you could create and post that as well. You could just do a normal post on social media, etc., etc. Over here on the right hand side, again, it's coming up with some more related keyword searches. How to stop my dog from barking at night. See, a little bit different to this one. How to stop my dog from barking. How to stop my dog from barking at night. Why is the dog barking? Stop dog barking, ultrasonic. How to stop dog barking at neighbours. It's very creative. So straight away, here might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 blog titles or video titles straight away that you know the market is actually searching for, that can become the titles, it can be the content of your videos. And if we scroll down the bottom, it may even give me some more. It does. Stop dog barking app, stop dog barking ultrasonic. It's given me a few more. So let's go and key in something else. LinkedIn for business. Let's see what comes up for that one. LinkedIn for business. This one is a little bit more related to me and my brand. How many people are keying in the search term LinkedIn for business? 12,100 people a month are going to Google and most likely the other search engines as well, and there'd be volumes there. 12,100 people a month are keying in the term LinkedIn for business. LinkedIn business logins, etc. Over here, create a LinkedIn company page. So there we go. It's giving me instant volume, instant ideas around how to create content before I've even started to think about recording a video and things like that. What else could we put in? Facebook for business. See what comes up for that one. Oh, here we go. It's already pre-populating straight away. Look at this. Facebook for business. It's telling me 360,000 people a month. 360. What's that? That's about 4 million people a year are going to Google and typing in Facebook for business. Instantly that becomes a blog title. Instantly that becomes a video title. Instantly that becomes a social media post that I can start pushing out into the marketplace. So very creative. Let me go to something a little bit more broad. In the marketplace, best BMX bikes for kids. Here we go. Best BMX bikes for kids. See what comes up here. This is just random thoughts. None of this is thought out. Let's have a look. Best BMX bikes for kids. Now straight away it's giving me the volume search is quite low because I know it didn't highlight it in yellow. I've gone to the settings on this keyword everywhere tool and said volume over 500 a month highlighted in yellow. So I'm surprised with that it's not as the search volume is not as broad. But over here, kids BMX bikes. So you can see how the simple change around of the words. We've got kids BMX bikes. Over here, kids BMX bikes. Almost 10,000 people a month are searching that way. But if I keyed it in this way, best BMX bikes for kids, the search volume is significantly less. It's, what is it? 10%, it's 5% of this one. So this would be a better blog title or an article title or even a video title as well. Best BMX bikes for adults. Scrolling down the bottom, is it going to show me any particular more details? It's just showing me a duplication of what we had before. So, and that works the same here on YouTube. If we go to best BMX bikes, it's going to give me the same result here on YouTube. Coming into play, best BMX bikes, if I can spell it first, B-I-K-E-S. 4,400 a month. How to buy a bike. What other more information is they going to give us on here on YouTube? Well, it's giving me the volume, of course, and it's then giving me the ranked videos that it feels are best for that particular search. How to change your profile picture on YouTube, or how to change, it's going to give me a million. How to change, what can we have a look at? How to change a tire. Here we go. How to change a car tire, but it's actually how to change a tire. YouTube videos pop up. 9,900, almost 10,000 people a month are creating or going to YouTube, Google and searching for that term. So there we go, another opportunity for someone who's maybe in the car niche or just likes to create simple how-to videos. If we go to Google and put that one in as well, see what comes up for that one, how to change a car tire. See if it gives us a broad extra ideas as well. So we searched it on YouTube. There's an opportunity if that's your industry, your niche. 9,900 people a month. Over here, more suggestions: tires, puncture repair, tire change kit, and you can see the different spelling of tire. Sometimes we need to add those keywords into our description and title and tags, or the metadata, they call it, the information behind. Let's finish it on how to upload to YouTube. Here we go, something that's dear to my heart, because YouTube and video creation is basically the main focus for me at the moment. How to upload to YouTube. 1,000 people a month. I would have thought it might have been more than that, but over here giving me further suggested keyword related terms: YouTube uploader, how to sign into YouTube, desktop YouTube 26,000, how to upload a video to YouTube from iPhone. So there we go, very specific. So again, probably a good one for us to finish on. Instantly, this becomes an opportunity for me and for everyone out there to create content, a blog article, a post, a video titled how to upload a video to YouTube from iPhone, because they're telling me 6,600 people a month are searching for that. If we click on that, let's see what it brings up. It's going to bring me up a whole heap of information around that topic. And amongst that, of course, it's going to bring me up some videos front and center. Google own YouTube, so they were increasingly pushing out YouTube videos for you to watch. And they're here right at the top of this search results. I could also click on videos here, and it will then show me how to upload a video to YouTube from iPhone. So the number one the number one ranked video that Google and YouTube are serving up to me is a direct match for the key phrase that I've just entered into Google, and that's one of the tips. Make the key phrase exactly what people are searching for. You will then vastly increase the chances of your videos appearing on page 1 of Google and page 1 of YouTube, and all of that activity will help grow your business or brand, help start promoting you across the amazing platform of social media and the world online. So finishing up here on my YouTube channel, as I said, don't forget to subscribe. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123. Send me a message on YouTube, send me a message on Facebook or LinkedIn regarding some of the content. Let me know when you're tuning in from around the world. I would love to hear your feedback as well. So there we go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, and helpful, and I've opened your eyes a little bit more to why we all should be planning out and recording videos before just throwing them upline to our YouTube channel, or to, in fact, to anywhere online. Now, you probably heard me saying this video a few times. Okay, for some of us, yes, we can just point, record, and shoot and upload, and the video might go viral, and what we've just gone through in this video may not apply. But I can always guarantee for the vast majority of us, planning out, doing some research beforehand, utilizing the keyword everywhere tool, or one of many others like this now on the marketplace, utilizing that in advance, planning out, you will then vastly increase the chances of people actually finding your video through a Google search or through a YouTube search. And if they're Googling it or searching on YouTube for it, then more likely to actually start watching that video as well. So what I'd like you to do is go to the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts and your successes with planning and recording and uploading videos to your YouTube channel. And it may not even have to be on YouTube. It might be to your Facebook page or even social media media in general. So go to the comment section below. Let me know whether you're utilizing the keywords research tool, or maybe you're utilizing one of the many that are now available on the marketplace. I'm always, trying to stay up to date with information and what's around. So, and quite often I find that from, the comment section and people direct messaging me as well. And while you're there, don't forget that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of my weekly videos. And if you're watching this on any of the other social media platforms, whether it be LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, or anywhere, you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and leave a comment. Let me know you're tuning in from around the world. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123, signing off, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon in another one of my videos.